Denton House, designed by Martin Fenlon Architecture, revitalizes a 1920s home in Los Angeles' Highland Park neighborhood. The redesign respects the historic character while adding sustainable, modern features. The house integrates new volumes while maintaining traditional Craftsman-inspired aesthetics. Fiber cement siding, chosen for durability, is arranged in a green hue that blends into the surrounding foliage. The project reused the original house frame and foundation, reducing waste while adding new spaces like a primary bedroom suite with a cantilevered second floor. This structural approach minimizes the footprint and enhances stability. A ground-level expansion connects the kitchen, dining, and living areas with the backyard, creating an indoor-outdoor living flow. The new second-floor bedroom suite is angled to fit the irregular lot, optimizing views and privacy. Large north-facing windows fill spaces with natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting. A lush front garden and shade trees also contribute to natural cooling and privacy. Sustainable materials, including fiber cement siding, were selected for their longevity and harmony with the site. Interior finishes emphasize durability, with colors and textures that complement the surrounding greenery. The interior design reflects biophilic principles, with wallpaper mimicking foliage and strategically framed views of the outdoors. The result is a nature-inspired atmosphere that connects each space to the exterior. The south-facing front yard is lushly landscaped to rewild the space, fostering biodiversity and creating a buffer between the house and the street. Roof rainwater is collected and directed into a filtration planter, adding a natural water feature at the entrance. Denton House merges sustainability, historic aesthetics, and biophilic design to create a unique family home that honors the past while engaging with the natural environment. This integration of history, sustainability, and design innovation offers an ideal model for residential transformation in historic neighborhoods.